Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to create TikTok videos with text overlays. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing you have to do is open your TikTok application. After it opens, tap on this plus icon, which is on the bottom of your mobile screen for recording a video. And here, swipe it to the right side. Then you will move to the video recording. Now record your video by tapping on this record button. After recording your video, tap on this tick icon, which is on the bottom right. You don't have to tap on this option next. Here you can see the option Edit. Tap on it. And I will not use the background music, so that's why. I will tap on it, and will delete it. Now let's go back from here by tapping on the arrow icon. And here you can see the option text. Tap on this option, and tap on the option Add Text. And here write the text. After writing, tap on this option Done, which is on the top right. Place the text in the video where you want to place it. And here is the length of the text. Arrange it. Now place it again. Now let me show you a look of it. So I'm tapping on this play button, so you can see on that and the text. So it was basic way by which you can create videos with text overlays.